Are you a product designer and do you want to learn how you can sell your own products? Well, you are at the right place. So I'm going to tell more about the course that I have created, but first let me introduce myself. My name is Constantijn and I've been selling online for more than 4 years now. And I really enjoyed doing this. Before I started, I tried several things that didn't work out. So after trying several things, I was finally able to find a process that works, and I'm here to share it with you because I believe that industrial designers are really talented and that they can add a lot of value to the world. A lot of industrial designers have a dream of creating their own products and having the freedom to use their creativity and have more freedom in life. But what is holding them back? Well, there are three main things. The first thing is that they make the products too complex. Like if you start out, you have a limited budget and limited time, so you should try to reduce your risk. And this is why I always advise industrial designers to make a simple product to begin with. So try to avoid electronics, try to avoid batteries and so on. Try to avoid expensive investments in molds because at first you don't have the capacity to make very complex products. And if you start simple, you can launch in a few months and you can already start to earn money. Once you have a few successful products, you can always go crazier and develop more complex products. But it's always the goal to reduce your risk when you start out. And one of the ways to do this is to focus on simpler products that don't require expensive tooling or complex engineering. The second thing that is holding industrial designers back is product research. It's really important to select the right product because if you enter a market without any demand, well, your product is not going to sell. Or if you enter a market that is already saturated with tons of other products, well, it's difficult to stand out. So product research is really, really important. And it's something that I spend a lot of time myself on. And in this course, I will teach you how to use software to do product research so that you can use actual data instead of feeling or thinking what could sell. You can look at what is currently selling and use that as a reference point to create your own products. And the third thing that is holding industrial designers back when they want to launch products is the marketing. They don't have a lot of knowledge in that area and they think that it's really complex, but in actuality it's quite simple to do once you know the basics, and this is why I will teach them in the course as well. So I have to tell you that just launching a Shopify store or just launching a random store will not work. You really need a good system, and in this course I will teach you how to go from product research to validation. Then we will also discuss sampling, manufacturing, shipping, and then the actual selling. So we will discuss each and every step of the way that allow me to grow my business into a multi-million-dollar machine. And this will allow you to launch your own products and use your own creativity to launch your business. So this is the end goal of the course, that you're able to launch your own business and have several products that are able to earn you a nice profit every single month. So the course has several parts or chapters, and we start with product research, which is really important, and we will spend a lot of time explaining what you have to focus on. For example, it's important that you consider the size of the product, as this affects the shipping costs. It's important that certain categories are more difficult to sell in. You have to look at patents and so on. This is also discussed in a product validation. So we go from a long list of products to a short list, and from there we select the best or the products with the most potential. Then we move over to the designing phase. Probably have some experience in that area as an industrial designer. And then we move over to manufacturing, where we discuss some best practices, things you have to consider. For example, what certifications are needed and so on. Then we move over to shipping. How do you get products from your manufacturer to your customer? Then the marketing area is also discussed, and then also some more general maintenance and customer relationships. So I really believe that this course will allow you to launch your own products and your own business, and the only thing is that you have to do is take action. So start the course, and I'm sure that you will be able to achieve your dream of working on your own products, having the freedom to work on your own business and use your creativity in the way you want to do it. So take action and start the course today. I'm always available if you have further questions, or if you're stuck, you can just email me and I will help you out.